Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got a little repair work project here for you. I think you'll find it interesting, so stick around, check it out. Alright, this is the project. The old rocking chair is starting to come unglued. Pieces are coming off. Some of the back slats are coming out, so I'm going to be repairing it here, and hopefully this won't take too long and you'll learn something neat. And I'm going to be using a product called Gorilla Glue, which is a sort of like a polyurethane glue. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do here, get this down here and straighten it out. Couple of slats in the back that are loose. I'm just going to go ahead and get them out. Are all them loose enough? Yeah. So pop all four of these out. So the glue is basically what happened to it, deteriorated. This was in a room where there was a fire, and the fire department sprayed some weird chemicals in it, so that may have, in with the water, so that may have caused part of the problem. So first thing I do is clear some of the dust out of these. There we go. Yeah, okay, there we go. All right, so, and actually that one's still got dirt in it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll be gluing it with Gorilla Glue here. And so what I have, rubber mallet, a plate with some Q-tips and a napkin on it in case there's any spillage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the bottom here glued up, and then I'll put the top back on, put the glue on the top and put the top back on. So first things first, let's get this open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little glue on each one of these here. Just a little dab like that. And get the Q-tip here. So with just that little amount on it, I'm going to take this and rub it around, smear it on there, because this will foam up. It's kind of like a, I'm going to put some in the hole here as well. Go ahead and cover it there. That in. All right. And I'll go along and get the rest of these done here really quick. Now I put glue inside of each of these. I'm going to make sure it's swished around here. Next, make sure I got everything a little bit on the edges there off. Good. Now comes the fun part. This part, put these in to go in. Go. And make sure these are to right. The curvature. Nice and smooth on the curvature here. Now, almost done. Get these out of the way. Now comes the part to secure it. Okay, and we'll check back on it here in a couple minutes when the glue starts to set up. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 minutes or so, and as you can see here and up here, we got a little bit of the glue foaming out the gaps. Got a little bit there, but it's staying pretty much inside. But what I got to do now, sorry about the banging around, is wipe off the excess glue. All right, that's it for now. I'm going to check on it in another half hour, see if any more bubbles out. But by tomorrow morning, this thing will be rock solid and won't be able to be pulled apart again by the grandsons. All right, see you in a half hour. All right, everybody. So it's the next day. I went ahead and I was leaving it dry a little bit longer, and I got busy, and I forgot to come back to it. So it's had almost 24 hours to dry, so let me check it out here. This strap here to release here. And there we go. Let's check it out. Oh, that feels solid. And these are all solid. Let's see how it feels. Oh, nice. A good constructed rocking chair is great. Now, before I take off, I'd like everybody to check out the short clip following this. It's on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't had a chance to get in on that, you can still do it. It's still going on. Also, so it's the grand prize for it, and also our watch hour contest ends the end of this month. So still got a ways to go. You got time to get in there and get on that. Alrighty, but meantime, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.